Hey, you guys. Hey, yeah, that salt mine that was pretty cool. Really interesting. So now we're on to the Dalton Gang Hideout, secret tunnel, and all that stuff, and then the Wizard of Oz set. So be back in 7 seconds.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness. Been alone
Hello.
Howdy.
Oh, howdy.
How you doing today?
Okay, if I film in here, YouTube channel. Okay, great.
Anyway, we've got a tunnel here. Y'all welcome to go up there to Eva Dalton's house. Eva was one of the sisters of Emmett, Bob, and Grat Dalton. The three of her brothers went to being trained robbing outlaws in 1891. And they wound up getting $5,000 reward put on each one of those three brothers. And so,
Each one, $5,000.
yeah, just not the two, not these two, not.
Oh, for the
Those
Daltons.
are just two of their outlaw pals that were with them. Emmett, Bob, and Grat Dalton were the three brothers that were the outlaws. And we believe they hid out here once or twice out here at their sister's place.
So that tunnel from the house actually went all the way through to here or to the
barn.
to the barn. This
Yeah,
okay.
this is where it ended.
This
Yeah.
is the barn.
And it wasn't near as nice as what you see it today. That's been reconstructed. It was only about 4 foot high and a couple foot wide, just dirt and boards.
Something for them to crawl through.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
So anyway, that was reconstructed in the year 1940. Works Project Administration and the National Youth Administration rebuilt the barn here. It had been burned down and re-excavated the tunnel and added rock to it and made it safe to go through. So y'all
you-
don't have to crawl through it unless you want to.
Your last name, Dalton?
Yeah.
So now, what are the other structures that we saw? Are these the only two original structures then on this?
Actually, the house up there is the only original from 1887.
Okay. Emma's house, her house, whatever.
That's a little house up
Yeah.
there.
So that's Emma, their sister's house.
Yeah. And we just got done, well, it was just right at a year ago, a complete restoration done on the outside of that house.
So does the tunnel go up into the?
Yep, it goes up into the house. You're welcome to go up there in the house, go to or through.
Yeah, let's go check it out.
And then you come back out this way. Of course,
Back out this way?
Escape, yeah. And we got a museum upstairs with the name on it.
All right. What was your name?
My name's Mark.
Mark, I'm JD.
JD, pleasure.
Nice to meet you, Mark.
Hi, I'm Lisa.
Lisa, pleasure,
meet you.
man.
Okay.
Pretty windy.
Now, wait until the wind really blows here, man.
All right.
What is this? All right, you guys. This is the secret passageway from Emma Dalton's house to the barn that the Dalton gang used. Wow, pretty cool. Very cool. And this is going to go right up into her house. He said it's in a lot better condition now than what it was back then, but yeah, I'm sure of course they didn't have, cement steps. I wouldn't think. All right, here's Sis's house.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why. I'm always
Let's see what's upstairs here. Oh yeah, that was the basement. Here's the front door here.
Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back. But I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh, no. 'Cause the thing is, I've got one.
All right, where else are we going here? Okay, here's some articles from the newspapers. Oh yeah, you'll have to look this up. One of the Dalton gang from here. Uncovered. Okay, there's the Dalton Gang Hideout. Uncover Dalton Gang Hideout. Tunnel from house to barn.
All I know is this is where my heart is.
Yeah, by the way, this is looking out the main level. Actually, this is the basement. This is the basement. Because there's those stairs going up to the kitchen. Or no, to the family room and bedroom. This is looking back toward the barn. The tunnel buried underneath there, you can kind of see, you know, how they probably sealed it up, you know, since then here. And the dirt, the grass doesn't go all the way over it. So, yeah, let's go back and explore the rest of this. Okay, back to the barn.
Gonna
This.
stay in this moment when I lay
don't know what
here
that is.
on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at
So this is a little museum up here?
What's that?
This little museum up here?
Museum's upstairs.
Okay. Oh yeah, so cool.
'cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down this.
Got some branding irons here with the different the ranches, the various ranches. My golly, there's a two-headed calf. And a bobcat up there.
This is where my heart is. Oh.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Yeah, we are in Liberal, Kansas, just after visiting the Dalton Gang Hangout. Remember that from last video? This might even be the same video, but yeah, we're at. You guys remember the Wizard of Oz? Yeah, this is Dorothy's house in Liberal, Kansas. We were going to stop and do the tour and check out the house and everything, but they're requiring masks. And we don't wear masks, so yeah, I'm tired of the hoax. So anyway, we'll see what else we can find. Well, so much for the Wizard of Oz. We just weren't going to wear masks. Maybe sometime when all this crap is run its course as far as the mask stuff. Go back and visit that, but it looked like it might be kind of cool. Dalton Gang, man, yeah, that was interesting. secret tunnel under there and stuff. I mean, you read about that stuff, you hear about that stuff, and to actually see it, you know, along with, and then go see all the history about it. That was pretty cool. That's, if you're in that area traveling through or something, it's definitely worth a stop. So, but appreciate you guys. Please share this with a fellow adventurer, or you know somebody that might be interested in that stuff, that history stuff. Yeah, please like and hit the notification bell. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, please. We're getting ready to hit the road here. Another 3 months. I'm not gonna have some RV tours videos coming up next, because we've been actively shopping for an RV. So look forward to those. All right, you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.